Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to reset your oil maintenance light on this 2020 Mazda 6 sedan. We just changed the oil on it. Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on how to reset this Mazda 6. How we do it is you hit the keyless start here twice without hitting the brake. Okay, then what we're going to do, the car is not on, so then we're going to do is we're going to hit this home button right here. And then up here on the screen, this dial right here, we're going to move this to apps. Right there to the app. Then you click down on this. And then you're going to get this screen here. You're going to go down to vehicle status monitor by turning this right here, right or left. So once you hit that, we click it, and then we're going to get this. Now we're going to go down to maintenance, hit the maintenance, and whatever we're trying to reset, we're going to reset the oil change, because we have the wrench right here. See the wrench right here? We're trying to get rid of that wrench that says oil change due. So we're going to go ahead and move it to the oil wrench and then hit enter. Setting interval. Then we're going to go to reset. So you hit the reset. There you go. Want to reset it? It says right there, are you sure you want to reset your oil? Yes, we do. So we're going to reset it. There it is there. The oil light reset is gone. So now we just reset it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.